What's going on?
With?
You.
What do you mean what's going on?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just moved out food. I'm coming to get ready to eat.
Getting ready to eat?
Yeah.
All right, you're like freaking out, it looks like.
No, the way I'm driving?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. For some reason, I don't know why, sometimes if I hit it like the wrong way, it'll work and drive as if I'm in like 4 and 5. So I'll drive, and next thing you know, it'll be fine, then I'll drop. But other than that, I'm good.
Okay.
It happens like, I don't know, maybe twice a week.